excellent George Tate and fellows. Our new singer, Jim Turner, is a wonderful addition to our show. He does a great job with every kind of song, including this beautiful ballad by Harry Warren.
My daydreams lie buried in autumn rain. They're covered with autumn leaves. The leaves are brown, came tumbling down, remember, in September, in the rain. The sun went out just like a dying ember in September, in the rain. To every word of love I hear you whisper. The raindrops seem to play a sad refrain. Though spring is here to me, it's still September. That's September in the rain. That's September in the rain. Thank you.